Gonna do a little speed test. Not sure how charged this battery is. Alright, 3 miles an hour. So this is the custom 12 with the 18 tooth pinion. You gotta fix the trim. A lot of control. .2845 XLF motor. .18 tooth pinion, LC slipper clutch, and definitely over 28 or 18. Last time we ran her, it was 18. 26.5 miles an hour. That's not bad. That's respectable. Good on the track. And this is a lithium ion. It's not even lithium polymer. So, and 2S. Really small battery. And it might be a little flat. Same one we were running on the track yesterday. But man, I love this thing. Oh man, what did I do now? Well, it looks like I got one more of these to fix. They replace these back ones with at least one more polymer. That's ridiculous. Hopefully it's the last fine tuning we need. Yeah, let's go one more time. Definitely a lot quieter. Whoa, whoops. Yep, still 26.5, so that's max speed with the 18 tooth pinion. And I did lose a not bad. Again, that's with the 2845. Let's see what she looks like underneath. 2845 Dumbo RC. It's the EAT 14, 35 amp ESC. I believe they're 3S capable. I'm not trusting it, so this is not getting 3S. Not until I get a proper ESC. That's the enhanced WL servo. These are XLF 650 shocks. Again, LC slipper clutch. Yeah, she's a ripper. See you when I see you.